Why thoracic spine mobility matters.
Thoracic spine mobility is essential for a healthy upper back, good posture, and overall movement. When this area is stiff, you may experience shoulder pain, neck tension, or limited range of motion. Improving mobility here helps reduce discomfort, supports daily activities, and enhances your performance during exercise. Ready to unlock your upper back? Let's get started with effective, time-efficient techniques.
Step 1. Gentle foam rolling.
Start with foam rolling your upper back to ease muscle tension. Lie on your back with a foam roller placed under your shoulder blades. Gently roll up and down, stopping at tight spots, and let the muscles relax over the roller. Do this for 30 to 60 seconds, focusing on slow, controlled movements. Foam rolling prepares your spine and muscles for further mobility exercises.
Step 2. Open book stretch.
The previous user asked for help of pushing back from the end of your body. Slowly open your top arm, rotating your upper body until your back is flat. Hold for a few seconds, then return to the start. Perform 8 to 10 repetitions on each side. This dynamic stretch gently encourages thoracic movement and flexibility.
Step 3. Thread the needle.
This move targets the upper back and shoulders. Start on all fours. Slide one arm underneath your body, reaching as far as comfortable, and let your shoulder and head gently rest on the floor. Hold for several seconds and feel the stretch in your upper back. Return to starting position and repeat on the other side. Do 8 to 10 repetitions per side to boost thoracic mobility.
Step 4. Cat-cow mobilization.
The cat-cow exercise mobilizes your spine, relieving stiffness. Get on all fours with your hands under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Inhale and arch your back upward, cat. Then exhale and drop your belly, lifting your chest and tailbone, cow. Move slowly between positions for 10 to 15 repetitions. This simple routine increases flexibility and prepares your spine for daily movement.
Tips for consistency and progress.
Commit to this routine 3 to 5 times a week for best results. Combine these moves with good posture habits throughout your day. Remember, improvement takes time, but with regular practice, your thoracic spine will become more mobile, helping you feel less stiff and move more freely. Always listen to your body and consult a professional if you have persistent pain.